Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on fraction. So, how to solve this type of question 1 over 2 minus 3 over 4 multiply 5 over 6. So, in this situation, also use the BODMAS and PEMDAS rule. Okay, so first of all, we simplify the multiplication 1 over 2 minus 3 numerator multiply with numerator and denominator multiply with denominator. So 3 multiply 5 is 15 and divided by 4 multiply 6 is 24. And now we get the LCM. So here what we will get the LCM? Here is 2, here is 24. So we choose LCM, least common multiple. Any number which on which table going on 2 and also going on 24. So we choose the 24. Also 2 table on 24 is 12 time and 24 on 24 table on 24 is 1 time. So 2 table on 24 12 time multiply with 1. Okay, and minus 24 table on 24 is 1 time, 1 multiply with 15. Okay, and now 12 multiply 1 is 12 minus 1 multiply 15 is 15 divided by 24, and 12 minus 15 is minus 3 over 24. So minus 3 over 24, and we can write minus 1 over 8. When we solve minus 1 over 8 is equal to minus 0.125. And now we verify this answer, we will get right or wrong. So we check the answer. Okay, we check the answer. Here we write equal sign. Here we write equal sign in question, and automatic calculator get the answer minus 0.125. Here is minus 0.125. So we are getting the right answer. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.